With a U.S. Supreme Court decision that impacts every property owner in Texas. The court unanimously ruling a Texas rancher has the right to sue the state for flood damage to his property.
His attorneys are calling it a major win for Texans. Marcelina Benito is here now in the studio to explain what it means. Marcelina.
Well, Len and Mia, simply put, it means Texas can't just take your property or do something that leads to flooding damage without compensating you for it. If you own property in Texas, this directly impacts you.
For everyone whose property is located in Texas, they can sleep soundly tonight.
Attorneys for rancher Richie DeVilliers celebrating a major win at the nation's highest court. The 4-year legal battle began in 2020 when DeVilliers first sued Texas after his land faced repeated flooding during Harvey and Imelda after the state made changes to I-10. Texas fought to have the case dismissed.
It's been a fight where at every step of the way, Texas has tried to tell him that he has no rights at all.
Ultimately, the Supreme Court sided with property owners.
This opinion ratifies what you might think of as the Pottery Barn principle. If you break it, you buy it.
Attorney Robert McNamara argued the case before the Supreme Court. He says the ruling has major implications across Texas.
A ruling like this is particularly important in a state like Texas that sees a lot of flooding because it says politicians aren't allowed to direct floodwaters onto the land of politically powerless people in order to make sure the politically powerful can stay dry. It says that if Texas is going to direct floodwaters onto your land, Texas is going to have to pay you for it.
Now DeVilliers' case can go to trial to determine just how much money Texas owes him, the first of many suits that can now legally move forward against the state.
This is a victory for anyone who owns property in the state of Texas and anyone who wants to use the courts to hold state officials accountable for what they do.
So Marcelina, quick question for you. The Texas Attorney General's office released a press release about this, calling this a win for them too.
Yeah, it's not entirely accurate. It's actually a clever spin by the Texas AG's office. That press release caught the plaintiffs' attorneys by surprise too. I asked him about that. Take a listen to what he told me.
The Texas Attorney General sent out a press release claiming he won this case, but what Texas wanted was to not be sued under the Fifth Amendment. What the court said is that Texas can be sued under the Fifth Amendment. That means we won because we got what we wanted, and Texas lost because they're the ones getting sued.
The AG tweeted this afternoon pushing back on that. I've also reached out to them for comment, but haven't heard back. Bottom line, Mia, no matter what the AG's office says now, it's clear the court ruled in favor of Texas ranchers.
Marcelina Benito walking us through it all. Appreciate you. Thank you.